Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify LastPass security settings and breach alerts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your LastPass vault. Log into your LastPass account with your master password. Navigate to the account settings by clicking on your account icon. Select the account settings option from the drop-down menu. In the settings menu, find and click on the security tab. Review the two-factor authentication options. Enable two-factor authentication if it's not already activated. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication. Make sure to save any changes you make. Next, check the Security Challenge section. Run the Security Challenge tool to identify weak or reused passwords. Follow the recommended steps to strengthen your passwords. Return to the Security tab and look for the Breach Alerts section. Enable breach alerts to receive notifications if your data is compromised. Verify your email address is correct to ensure you receive alerts. Consider reviewing the LastPass security blog for the latest updates. Check the Advanced Options area for additional security settings. Adjust any settings to your comfort level regarding security. Regularly revisit these settings to ensure they remain up to date. Close your account settings when finished. Log out of LastPass to secure your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.